So hey guys, now I have the Go version of UP10TION's Spotlight. Here's the front, here's the back. Oh yeah, I got this from a birthday present from my classmates, so they know I love them. So here it is. So since she got this from Korea, it's like so cheap. It's so cheap. You know what, just let me get the photo card out. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so the back is just like this. Let's put this aside. So here's the track list at the back and the Go special. So this is the Go version, as you can see. Let's see the photobook. Oh, so nice. Oh, there's glue. You know what? I'll take it off later. Here's the track list here. Oh my god, they look so good. And oh, it's so hot. Ciao. Group. No, this is not the group. This is just from some other members. Eugene. Wei. Oh my gosh, look at Wei. He's so handsome. Kun. Hogyar. Oh, he wear contacts. He wore contacts. So here is in the middle is Hogyar. So here it is. Gosh, so you know I can't just let you go like this. So baby, just listen. It's just English. It's good. It's Korean. It's not good. Now I'm gonna break the CD if I do this. Wait, so cool. It's like the perfect boyfriend. I hug you, baby, now, and I'll kiss you, baby. Good job, Ito. Stay. Just say yes. Of course I'll say yes to Sonju. Eugene. Honey. Shout. Don't you turn around and say goodbye. Stay by my side. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go too. Oh my god, look at, oh my god, look at Kun, oh my god, wow. So that's special thanks to tracklist, credits, and UP10TION's Top Media's audition slip again. Here's the CD. The Go version, which is beautiful. Okay, yep. So this is it. And now for the photo card, it's a rapper again. Ching, it's Kun. Oh, he looks so handsome in here. His ears is like, oh my god, he's so handsome. Look at this. I don't mind getting him too. I just want Chino or Hey. So yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.